Hello, my name is Sebastián Castro Cuellar. I am from Cumaral Meta and I am an industrial engineer study. I want to be part of your team because I am passionate about the world of tourism. I have cooking and leadership skills, excellent communication skills, and strong values. I am very cheerful and helpful person. I have experience in personal transfers and orientation. I am also certified in First Aid. My English level is intermediate, but I continue to improve my knowledge every day to provide better service and communication. I truly hope to be part of your team. I will do everything in my power to prevent a positive experience. Thank you so much.